How much should you actually spend on fishing line? Because some anglers swear by the cheap stuff, while others can't live without the premium brands. The truth is, the right choice can make all the difference in your success on the water. Product number 1. Berkley Trilene XL Monofilament. First up is the Berkley Trilene XL Monofilament fishing line, priced at just $6.31. What caught my attention here is its reputation as a bestseller with a 4.7-star rating from over 1,600 reviews. If you're looking for a reliable line that won't let fish off the hook, this is worth a serious look. The Trilene XL offers a break strength of 10 pounds, which is pretty solid for crappie fishing. What's great about it is the maximum manageability that resists twists and kinks, allowing for smooth casting. You want your lure to land exactly where you intend, right? Plus, at 300 yards in length, you have plenty of line to work with. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The line's clear design makes it almost invisible underwater, which is crucial when you're trying to trick those wary crappies. Now, some folks have mentioned that it can be a bit prone to tangling if you're not careful. Here's the thing though, as long as you spool it correctly and take your time, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a trustworthy, cost-effective line that performs well in various conditions. Skip this one if you're fishing in heavy cover, as you might want something with more abrasion resistance. But for the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the tangling issue was a concern for you, the next option takes a completely different approach with its braided strength. Product number 2, Reaction Tackle Braided Line. Next up, we've got the Reaction Tackle Braided Fishing Line, priced at $9.98. This one caught my eye with its impressive 4.5-star rating from over 26,000 reviews. If you need power performance for both saltwater and freshwater fishing, this line is definitely worth checking out. With a break strength of 20 pounds, it offers incredible durability. This braided line is made from ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, which means it's tough enough to handle tough conditions. It's abrasion resistant, so if you're fishing around rocks or logs, you can really count on it. Plus, the zero stretch feature lets you feel every nibble, which is essential for crappie fishing since they can be finicky. This line's color-fast technology ensures it retains its vibrant moss green color, helping you keep visibility high. Now, some users have noted that it can be a bit stiff and difficult to manage initially. But I'll be real with you. Once you get accustomed to it, the performance it delivers is worth the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your fishing and need something that can withstand tough environments. Skip this one if you prefer a more forgiving line that's easier to handle. For the quality you get, it's a fair price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something more discreet. Product number 3. Classic Invisible Monofilament. The Classic fishing line is next, and it's a steal at just $3.99. This clear line has a 4.6-star rating from 180 reviews and is perfect for those who want to keep their fishing discreet. If you're after invisibility in the water, this is worth a serious look. With a break strength of 43 pounds and a length of 788 feet, this line is impressively strong and versatile. It's made from durable nylon, making it not only suitable for fishing, but also for crafts and decorations. The invisibility factor really comes into play here, as it keeps fish unaware and increases your catch rate. This is especially useful when fishing for crappies that often shy away from visible lines. Some users have expressed concerns about the line being too thin for certain conditions. Here's the thing though, for crappie fishing in clear waters, this thin line can actually be an advantage as it blends in seamlessly. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable option that doesn't sacrifice quality. Skip this one if you often fish in heavy cover where a thicker line would be beneficial. For its price and performance, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if you're looking for something with a little more strength, the next product UPS the ante with its copolymer technology. Product number 4, Trout Magnet SOS line. Next on the list is the Trout Magnet Trout SOS fishing line, priced at $6.95. This line has a solid 4.6-star rating from 3,000 reviews. If you want something specifically designed for light line fishing, this could be the one for you. With a break strength of 4 pounds, it's specifically crafted for finesse fishing, which is essential when targeting crappies. The smooth copolymer construction allows for kink-free, tangle-free fishing, so you can focus on catching fish instead of dealing with knots. Plus, its low visibility in water makes it perfect for those tricky bites. Some anglers have mentioned that the break strength may feel low for larger species. But I'll be real with you. For crappies, this line is often more than sufficient. It's all about knowing your target species. This is perfect for you if you enjoy light tackle fishing and want something that's easy to manage. Skip this one if you often fish in areas with larger fish where a heavier line would be necessary. For the quality it offers, it's a smart buy. Now, if you want something known for its invisibility and strength, our final product could fit the bill perfectly. Product number 5, Berkley Vanish Fluorocarbon. Lastly, we have the Berkley Vanish Fluorocarbon fishing line, priced at $7.97. Coming in with a 4.6-star rating from 1,300 reviews. This line offers what you need if you're targeting the most cautious fish. With a break strength of 4 pounds and a length of 110 yards, this line is designed to be practically invisible underwater. The 100% fluorocarbon construction refracts light like water, which is fantastic for crappies that are notorious for avoiding visible lines. It's durable and maintains its strength even when submerged, which is key for those long fishing sessions. Some users have reported that it can be a bit stiff when first using it. But honestly, once you get it out on the water, the invisibility and performance make it worth every bit of effort. This is perfect for you if you want an almost invisible line that can trick even the most wary fish. Skip this one if you prefer a more flexible line right out of the box. For its unique features, the price is justified. In conclusion, whether you prioritize strength, invisibility, or ease of use, there's a solid option for everyone in this lineup. So, to wrap it all up, we've covered the Berkley Trilene XL, Reaction Tackle Braided Line, Classic Invisible Monofilament, Trout Magnet SOS Line, and Berkley Vanish Fluorocarbon. Each of these lines brings something unique to the table. Choose one that aligns with your fishing style, and happy fishing.